Hi guys, I'm back at the Zen Den setting up for the Aquarius New Moon sound bath. Come on in, I got some setting up to do.
I bet your feet are tired, your head feels heavy hanging down, dimming lights in lonely eyes, no visitors allowed.
Allow the shoulders to drift down away from the head, releasing all holding and tension. Relax your arms, the forearms. And one more time, take that intention and plant it in your heart with the knowing that this intention will serve your highest good.
Keep your head up, child. Keep your head